Hey guys! So today we're going to work on how many less. If you watched my last video, you would have seen how many more. And that would have told us which way we're moving on the number line in order to get to the next number in the positive direction or when we are adding. Today, we're going to look at which way we're going when we are subtracting or taking away. So, if I start on number 4 and I want to end on number 2, and I'm taking away stuff, which means I'm moving to the lower numbers, the smaller numbers. How many humps do I need to make? How many units am I moving? So let's go. Starting at the 4, I'm going 1 unit smaller, then I'm making another hump, and I'm going 2 units smaller, and I landed on my 2. So because I landed on my 2, I'm going to do 1, 2 units. So I took away 2 units. Okay? That's it. That's all we're doing today. So we're going to count how many units smaller we're going, and that's what subtraction is. Okay? So let's go and draw a dot, a point. These are called points on my number line. A point on the number 3. Now, we want to get to the number 1. So, how many units am I moving to make my number smaller to get to 1? Remember, a subtraction sign makes my number smaller. So let's go. 1 brings me over to 2, and another one brings me down to 1. So how many humps did I make? 2. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. You can also look on your fingers. 3 minus 2 makes 1. So let's draw the next one. We start at 5 and we want to get to 4. Okay, how many humps do we need to draw to get 5 to 4? So if I draw 1 hump, I land on 4. Wait, that's what I wanted to do. So I only needed 1 hump, 1 number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Now we're going to see something super cool. So what if I started on 5 and I wanted to get to 1? Okay, let's try this one. How do we count from 5 to 1? Let's start counting. 1 unit brings me to 4. We know that from here. 2 units bring me to 3. 3 units brings me to 2. And 1 more, 4 units brings me to 1. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4 humps to get to 1. Now, take a look at this. Here we had 5 minus 1 is 4, and here I have 5 minus 4 is 1. These are called number families. They'll always work together this way. It's great, okay? Also, 1 plus 4 gives me 5, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So those are all part of the number family. So we have to remember that, and it helps us solve our problems easier. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Last 2 problems. 3 minus 3. So we're starting on the 3. Sorry, 3 minus 1 is 3. And I have to end on the 3. So if I'm starting somewhere and I need to end in the same place, are you moving at all? Let's try that again. I'm starting here and I want to end here. If I move 1 unit, it's going to take me here, or it's going to take me here. So, am I going to move? No, I don't move at all. In fact, I'm staying still, which means I'm not moving. I'm going 0 humps. I'm going nothing, nada, 0, zilch, nowhere. So 3 minus 0 is 3, because I'm not moving. And for my last problem, 4 minus what gives me 3? So how many humps do I need to draw to get from 4 until 3? So let's draw that. 1 hump. You want to hear something super cool? What you just did here is called algebra. It's what a lot of people learn when they're like teenagers. So great job, you guys. You just did algebra. I'm very proud of you. Do your worksheet today, and next time we meet, I'm gonna have a great worksheet and we're gonna get to tens, okay? We're gonna go all the way to 10 instead of 5. See you next time. Bye.